It's time for a job hunt. Where do you start? There are thousands of job and career websites online, but you can't see them all. Think of all the missed opportunities. It's the same for training and education. And building a professional network isn't easy. This is Mike, a college scout looking for his next star athlete. Like many scouts and recruiters, Mike has a problem. He's a world away from some really great talent. But limited time and resources means opportunities are missed for both scouts and athletes. Francisco sums it up by invoking Atlas, the mythical giant with the literal weight of the world on his shoulders. When the burden gets too heavy, Francisco asks, what's a giant to do? The answer? To shrug. Long story short, Dagny and Galt fall in love. These physical correlations were so strong that conservatives and liberals were identified with over 70% accuracy from their MRI scans alone. And like that, a biological mechanism was identified. Fahrenheit 451 is set in a homogeneous, futuristic, war-obsessed America where books are outlawed, intellectualism scorned, and the entire population exists in a state of dull pleasure and sensory overload. Ring any bells? Guy Montag, the main character. No matter how you slice it, the vaccine schedule represents a minuscule exposure to antigens and organisms compared with what people encounter as part of life. Worrying about the exposure from the vaccine schedule is like worrying about a thimble of water getting you wet while swimming in the ocean. This is the point where you send me an email asking me to do your voiceover work.